Okay, boys and girls, we're going to review for the last time today, subtracting with regrouping to the 3 digits, to the hundreds place. So let's start by doing some quick review with some boom cards. Alright, I have a problem that is 3 digits, hundreds, tens, and ones. Alright, when I have a 3-digit problem, where do I always start? Start on the right. So I have 5 minus 2. The first thing I need to do is figure out where my bigger number is at. So which is my bigger number? 5. Alright, it's my poem says if I have more on top, there's no need to stop. We can just subtract. So 5 minus 2, I have 5. I'm going to count back 2. So 5, 4, 3. My answer is 3 in the ones place. Now to my tens. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. Can I do that? No, because I have more on the floor. If I have more on the floor, then I have to go next door and grab 10 more. I don't have enough to subtract. So I'm going to take a group of 100 from the hundreds place and break it into 10 tens. So 6 minus one of those groups is going to make what? 5. Now I have to break it into 10 tens. So I'm going to add those to my 7. 10 plus 7 is going to give me 17. And that's how I show my regrouping. Now I can subtract. 17 minus 8 will give me my answer. I can count back. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. My answer is 9. And now I can move to the hundreds place. I have 5 minus 4. Alright, my big number is on top. I don't have to worry about it. No need to stop. 5 minus 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My answer is 193. And I got it right. Alright, and here is the next one I can try. This is a set of boom cards you guys can try. So let's look at some work you guys completed yesterday for practice and see how well you did on it. If you did well, you'll know you're doing a great job. If you didn't, you may need some practice, like those boom cards to practice before you take a grade. So let's look at your work. It was practice and homework for lesson 6.9. It looks just like this. Page 443 down at the bottom. If you need to pause the video, you can and get it. Alright, let's go over your work. I'm going to make mine larger so we can check it. So number 1, 816 minus 345. Start on the right. 6 minus 5 is 1. Because my big number is on top. There's no need to stop. Now I go to the tens place. 1 minus 4. Guys, my big number is on the floor. So what do I have to do? Go next door and grab 10 more. So I'm going to take a group of 100 from 8. That's 8 minus 1 equals 7. And I add the 10 tens back. So 10 plus 1 is going to make 11. So check your regrouping. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then in the hundreds place, 7 minus 3 will give you 4. 471. Number 2, 932 minus 163. Start on the right, 2 minus 3. My big number is on the floor. I'm going to have to go next door. So my 3 is going to change to a 2. I have to take a group of 10. And I add it back. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I can subtract. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 2 minus 6, can we do it? No, because we have more on the floor. So let's go next door. 9 minus 1 is 8. Add it back. 10 plus 2, 12. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 6 is 6. And 8 minus 1 is 7. 769. Check your work. Number 3, 796 minus 468. Start in the ones column. Start on the right. 6 minus 8. We can't do it because our big number's on the floor. So we go next door. Our 9 changes to an 8. Add 10 back. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Now we can subtract. 16 minus 8 leaves us with 8. In the tens place, 8 minus 6. We can subtract because our big number is on top. 8 minus 6 is 2. And then in the hundreds place, 7 minus 4 is 3. 328. Thumbs up if you got both of those right. Awesome job. Awesome job. If you missed one, okay, we just need to watch how we do on the back. If you missed 2 out of the 3, I say you need some more practice, okay? All right. Problem solving. Number 4. Mia's coloring book has 432 pages. She has already colored 178 pages. How many pages in the book are left to color? Okay, so how many are in all? 432. That's your big number. She has already colored 178. That's what she's used. So we subtract it. And we will find our answer. All right, so let's look at it. Start on the right. 2 minus 8. We can't do it because we have more on the floor. So we have to go next door. We change our 3 to a 2. And our 2, we add 10 to it. It is 12. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. In the tens place, we have 2 minus 7. Can we take 7 away from 2? No. So we have to go next door again. 4 changes to a 3. We add 10 back. That's 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. 254 pages left. All right, let's turn it over to the review side. All right, number 1, what's the difference? 349 minus 187. Start on the right. 9 minus 7, our big number's on top. 9 minus 7 is 2. In the tens place, 4 minus 8, our big number's on the floor. So we have to go next door. 3 minus 1 is 2. Add 10 back. 4 plus 10 is 14. All right, so we say 14 minus 8 is 6. And then we subtract the hundreds place. 2 minus 1 is 1. 162 is what you should have. What is the difference? 336 minus 178. 6 minus 8. Our big number is on the floor. Let's go next door. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now we have 2 minus 7. Our big number is on the floor again. So we go next door again and grab 10 more. 12 minus 7 is 5. And in the hundreds place, 2 minus 1 is 1. 158. Alright, so if you had problems with those two, you need to study before you take your quiz. I would practice some more, because those will be what your quiz will look like today. All right, these are all review problems, things we've already learned. 246 plus 533. Let's add. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 2 plus 5 is 7. 779. What is the difference? We have a 2-digit number. 38 minus 14. Start on the right. 8 minus 4. Our big number is on top, so we don't need to stop. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Alright, what is the difference? We have 17 minus 9. We could regroup it or we could count back. Alright, so let's count back. 17, 9 on your fingers. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Lisa had 15 daisies. Then she gave away 7 daisies. Then she found 3 more daisies. How many daisies does Lisa have now? All right, she had 15 daisies. She gave away 7 daisies, so let's do that first. 15 minus 7 equals, so let's count back. 15, count back 7, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. All right, so she has 8. Then she found 3 more. So what are we going to do now? Add 3 more. So 8 plus 3 equals how many she has now. So count on 3 from 8. Get ready? 8, 9, 10, 11. How many daisies does she have? 11 now. Okay. Alright, I will attach the boom cards if you need practice today and another video for review if you need practice. Do that first before you take your quiz today.